Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome back to the Barrier Brigade. It's been a little while, I know. We had some family stuff around the holidays, and I messed up my shoulder and neck for a couple days. But we're back in the garage, we're back in the K20, and today I'm looking at the floor panel, the driver's side, the one that I'm going to try to make out of a piece of sheet metal that I just got from Lowe's. I don't even know if there's a price on it. 12-inch by 18-inch, 16-gauge piece of sheet metal that I'm going to use for the driver's side floor pan. On the passenger side, I'm probably going to order the whole floor pan, but on this side, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to attempt. I've never done this before. I'm going to try to make all of this. Let me show you. I'm going to try to make all of this, come on, the camera won't light up. There it is. Disaster down here out of one piece of sheet metal. So the floor and up on the side here and around this turn a little bit. So I need to shave a little bit more out of this. But I realize my headphones are playing music, so you might have heard some music in there. If you did, enjoy some Corey Smith. Nice, relaxing guitar, kind of country, whatever you want to call his music. So I'm going to try to make all of that out of one cut of this sheet metal. I don't want to do multiple cuts. I'm going to try to make it all, bend the sheet metal the way I need to break it, and then we're going to rivet it in. So I'm probably just going to time-lapse it with some music, so it's going to be a pretty basic video, but hopefully this works. Stay tuned and find out. Ever doing or using rivets. I've never done anything with rivets before. Got a lot of first time making a floor pan. Lines up pretty good. If anything, this could be bent just a hair more, but it's far enough off to where I'll be able to rivet the top half and then kind of work my way down the side, and it'll pull itself in. I'm not too worried about that. But I'm gonna try to rivet these two spots together. You can kind of see where they overlap right here. So I'm going to go ahead and drill that hole the rest of the way through and put a rivet in that for my first ever rivet, just to see what it looks like and how it works. If I don't like it, it's an easy spot where I can grind it off here. So let's rivet that. After I rivet that, I'm going to go ahead and get a nice good coat of paint. Actually, no, we're going to go line it up. We'll go ahead and drill all the holes in this and in the truck. Then we'll paint this in the floor of the truck so we get a nice good couple coats of paint on here, because we don't want it to rust out again anytime soon. So we're going to get to that.